In this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change theme on Windows. So here for it, first of all you need to go to your Windows search option, then you need to search here setting. Here you can see settings, so we need to click on settings, and after coming to the settings, here you can see we have an option called personalization. So also you can search it over here as well, like this personalization, but I'm just going to click here, and once you click here you will see a few option here, and here you can see we have themes option. So you need to click on themes. After that it will show you a bunch of themes over here, so you can choose different themes from here. For example, if I choose this dark one, if I just click on it, there you can see our theme changed for our Windows. And if I choose this one, the color changed again. We can choose between different theme. Here you can see it will look like this, and I personally like this one, which is sunrise. I think this is quite decent, and there's also a few more options. That is, here you can see contrast theme. So if you now click here, you can choose the color for your text. For example, here you can see contrast themes, and by default it is none. And here you can see we have some example here: aquatic, desert, dusk, and night sky. So if I choose aquatic and click on apply, it will look like this. And if I now choose desert, then click apply, it will look like this. And there is also night sky. Let me show you the night sky. It is quite good. There you can see it looks different. And if you prefer the first one, then just click here none, and then click apply, and there you can see we are able to see the default contrast theme. And there is a few more bunch of option here. Here you can see related theme setting. If you click on themes, and here you can choose the color mouse cursor from here. If I now click on mouse cursor, it will show us a few option here. You can choose different mouse design from here. You can choose this one. I'm just going to keep it the default one, so I'll just click on none and click apply, then click OK. So you can choose different mouse design and also color from here as well. If I click on color, for example, how does it work, let me just show you. If I now, let's say, choose red color, let's say this one, there you can see the button color become red here. If I choose this color, the color change to this color. So you can choose different color from here as well. This is a transparency effect. There is light mode, dark mode for each theme. So this is how we can change the theme in Windows. I hope this was easy for you to understand. If you have any question, or if you want to make any specific video, just let me know in the comment section. Make sure to subscribe, and I hope to see you in the future tutorials.